Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to adjust rear drum brakes on Toyota Corolla. Chock the front wheels, jack the rear, and place jack stands under the axle or body mounts. Remove the wheel and gently pull the drum, tapping if needed, to reveal the shoes and adjuster. Keep parts organized on a cloth and take photos if unsure, so reassembly is straightforward and confident. Start by visually inspecting the shoes, springs, adjuster, and backing plate for wear or damage. Measure lining depth and compare to service limits, replacing components if worn beyond safe tolerance. Ensure the adjuster moves freely and springs are hooked correctly, as binding can prevent proper adjustment. Clean the area carefully to remove dust and debris and avoid contaminating lining. With the drum off, rotate the star wheel adjuster until the shoes expand to just touch the drum edge. Reinstall the drum and spin the wheel, then back off the adjuster until you achieve slight drag and a smooth spin. Repeat on the opposite side for balance. After both sides are set, lower the car, torque wheels to spec, and perform a cautious road test to confirm pedal firmness and proper parking brake engagement.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.